So far, you have seen how to push your code to GitHub using VS Code without typing any commands. So in this video, I want to show you how to do the same exact thing, but using the command line. And don't worry, this is a very beginner friendly. I will explain every step to you as we go. If your project already exists on your computer and not on GitHub yet, this video is for you. Just one quick note, you will need Git install for this. If you are not sure, I will link the download page for Mac and Windows below. Alright, so I already have my project open in VS Code. This project already exists on my computer, but it's not on GitHub yet, which is the most common situation for beginners. Alright, I'm going to open the terminal inside my VS Code. So yeah, this terminal is already inside my project folder, which is very important because Git always works based on where you are. So right now, this is inside my project folder. All right, so let me run this command, git init. So what this command does is initialize Git in this project. It just tells Git to start tracking this folder. It does not create any GitHub repository yet. Let me check the status real quick. Git status. So right now we have untracked files here. So this is Git telling us what it is tracking. Right now, these files that are showing in red means that Git sees them, but they have not been staked yet. Okay, I'm going to stake these files. Git, So what this command git add all, what it does is this command, it stages all my files at once. So staging means I'm choosing what I want to include in my next commit, basically what I'm about to save. Before I commit anything, let me quickly check the status again. Okay, so now you can see these files have changed to green. This means they have now been staged and are ready to be committed. Next, I'm going to commit these changes. Git commit. I'll just say initial commit. And then hit enter. Okay. So a commit is basically we are saving this version of our project at this moment. So Git takes everything we stage and lock it in, so we can always come back to this version. So what this message is saying, initial commit, or it can be upload and add in, whatever you put here, this is just to explain what we are doing or what we are saving at that moment. So now I'm going to create a new repository on GitHub. You can do this by clicking on this plus icon, or inside the repositories, you can click on this big button. Either ways work. Again, scroll down to the bottom. Create repository. I'm not adding any Git readme to this yet. So now GitHub gives us this link right here. This is the link we are going to use to connect our local project to the repository. I'm just going to copy it right from here. Now I'm going to paste that URL into the terminal to link my project to GitHub. Git remote, add origin, and then paste, enter. So before pushing anything, I just want to double check that my project is connected to GitHub. Git. So what this command does is show me the remote repository this project is linked to. So you can see the GitHub URL right here. That confirms my local project knows where it is supposed to send the code. So if you see your GitHub link in here, you are good to go. Now I'm going to make sure my branch name is set correctly. This command makes sure my main branch is called main. GitHub expects the branch to be named main, so this just keeps everything consistent. Alright, so this is the step where everything actually gets uploaded to GitHub. This command here, and then hit enter. If you ever see a rejected fetch force error, it means the GitHub repository already has changes that your computer does not have yet. Git is protecting you from accidentally overwriting what's already on GitHub. So to fix this, we need to pull force, and then we can push our changes. So I'm going to pull the changes first. Okay. So you might notice this file right here, this license file. This file was originally created on GitHub when I made the repository, and now when I pull the changes, Git brought it to my local project. So that's exactly how Git is supposed to work. It keeps both sides in sync. The GitHub and your local, they have the same files. Now I'm going to push the changes. Okay, so what just happened is Git took my local commits and sent them to GitHub. So now if I go to GitHub, I should be able to see all these changes. And there it is. My project is now live on GitHub. You have now pushed a project to GitHub using the command line. This might feel like a lot at first, but the more you practice it, the more natural it becomes. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.